everybody. Today we're gonna do a 20-minute prep. Oops. This isn't 20. Today we're doing a 20-minute prep for a dinner, and what we have here will be a dry pasta. We have some penne pasta with desired vegetables. You can just do any vegetables, but I like spinach and onion and zucchini and mushrooms and olives, and of course tomato. And protein-wise, we're gonna add some chicken and kielbasa, but again, you can add whatever you want. It's just a matter of cooking the noodles and then sauteing all the vegetables and mix it all up. We're gonna chop zucchini, chop the ends and discard, and then chop it in bite size. So probably one more. Now, when you chop this, make sure your fingers are curled, not like this, but curl your fingers, and then so that your knife is touching your knuckles and not your tip of the hand. And as you get closer to the edge, it gets harder to cut, so you flip it and then do it again. Time to work on the protein. This one is kielbasa. Again, you want to cut it at bite size. Maybe halves would work. And same method of chopping. Fingers curled, desired size. You can make it big or small, slanted if you like. Today we're gonna use rotisserie chicken. And I'm gonna use my gloves because I don't like my hands to get greasy. So you're just gonna take each part apart, each sections apart, and then put it in bite-sized areas so that it's easy to just eat with along with the pasta. Now you're doing this, all the chopping, while you're boiling the noodles, because it'll take about 10 to 12 minutes for the noodles to get done. So these are all the things you could be doing while cooking the noodles. For the pasta, salt, we're gonna add some garlic, and the best way to do this is just flatten it and go pow, pow, pow. Then it peels very easily. It's okay if it's all ugly shape because we're just gonna mince it, so that's okay. And then the next one, cut the end and go pow, pow, pow. And then again, just peel because it'll come off really easily. So once the garlic has been peeled and it's been flattened, you just have to sort of chop it. We're gonna start sauteing the vegetables. Some oil. Pour it in. For flavoring, really, just salt and pepper should do. That's it. You just have to saute lightly until they're pretty cooked but not overcooked. Spinach you hardly want it cooked. So you're just going to put it at the very end. We have the noodles, we have the veggies, we have the protein. They've all been sauteed, so it's a matter of just mixing it all up. We're going to start with a little bit of olive oil and pour the noodles in. Okay, you can salt, pepper as you desire, and then just mix, mix, mix a little bit. Break it all up. Add a little bit more of olive oil so that it's nice and glossy. There you go. And then we start pouring the rest of the ingredients. Start with the veggies. And actually this veggie has a lot of liquid. I'm gonna drain this. Veggies always have quite a bit of liquid, so we'll drain it so it doesn't become so wet. Pour it in. Final secret ingredient is lemon. So I've cut the lemon in half. You can sort of catch the lemon seeds if you think there's a lot of seeds, or if there's really hardly any, then go ahead and squeeze the lemon.
Squeeze the lemon.
Squeeze the lemon. Alright, and then it's just mix, 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 and serve. Voila!